The big question is, can I get over Donner Pass without having a chain? Starting to snow in the canyon, so I'm not sure. Coming into Reno, you can actually see the sun start to shine. There's a little blue sky in the distance. Following another TSL truck on the left. Heading up the hill into the mountains. Starting to get dark. The roads are just wet at this point, but you know they're going to start chaining soon. Up ahead is the sign that says, "Ice and snow, take it slow." So if the chain law was up, that would say chains required at this point. But I get up and over the mountain, and this sign is going to say, "Chains no longer required," which means they put the chain law up somewhere between the last sign and this one. So the answer is yes, I made it over without having to chain. Thanks for watching. See you at home.